fan of Thai food. I love the balance of flavors. Sweet, salty, spicy, sour. This is my take on a classic Thai dish, Pad Thai, with a twist. Wait for it. Tamarind paste, the secret ingredient in Worcestershire sauce. It's actually a seed pod with a sticky, sweet, tart pulp that when you dry it becomes intensely, almost sour. It may not look appetizing, but it's gonna give my sauce something special, I promise. Particularly because the brown sugar's going in. Here's that saltiness I was talking about. Soy sauce, or tamari, whatever you've got on hand, and acid to pump up that sour. Looks good. Whiskey, whiskey. This sauce is gonna go so well with my wait and see. First, tofu. This is firm tofu, so it's gonna hold up really well when I'm cooking. But now we need some noodles. But in my world, it has zoodles. My favorite thing, the spiralizer. Zucchini makes fantastic noodles. Look, this is why I love spiralizing. It's so beautiful. It takes this like kind of basic veggie and turns it into something amazing. Now let's get this cooking. If you want to eat more veggies, this is the way to do it. Ooh, I think we're cooking. Just trying to get a little golden tan. So don't be impatient. Give it a second just to sit. Starting to get that golden color. Now for my veggies. Cradle them with great care. Just a little sauce. Clean up the extra love there. A little cilantro, I think. And I know you either love or you hate cilantro, but you really can't argue with the fact that it goes so beautifully with Thai food. Where's my crunch at? I know I shouldn't be starving, but this looks so good, I just can't help myself. You know, it's been a big food day, and sometimes even I'm surprised by how much I can eat. But when it's plants and when it's this healthy, I don't feel guilty about it whatsoever. That tamarind really it's just that little extra flavor that blends with the soy and the sugar and the lime. So delicious. I am not missing wheat noodles whatsoever. And you know, when you find something you love, do it well and do it often. For me, that's food.